it's what ResourceWorks is doing. We need to have a broader conversation. More people need to be involved, right? And we think of the LNG industry. So when John Horgan became Premier of BC, there were no LNG plants in BC. And we're going to be one of the largest providers of LNG in 2030. And what was involved? Major corporations like Shell, like Woodfibre, like Fortis corporations, and like Petronas, these are the biggest corporations in the world, working with First Nations communities there to create that industry. And we got to tell the story. There's a lot of people talk, there's a lot of noise around First Nations issues and everything else right now. This is an incredible success that was done by by investors, by communities, by First Nations. And suddenly we've gone from having nothing to having an industry that's one of the most important in the world. And that's a lesson of what we can do together when we work together. And equally, that's true in the work BC Hydro is doing in the North Coast Transmission Line or other things. That these projects we need to talk about and celebrate. There is too much negativity in our politics, too much negativity in the debate. Some of that is blamed on social media, but we're responsible. And so we can have a different debate if we want to. And we can bring more people involved in that debate. I think that's what ResourceWorks do. That's what these meetings like the one we had here today do for people. They allow us to talk and engage and understand the transformation from the 18th century to the 19th century to the 20th century to the 21st century. In many respects, in economic history, that's the story of energy. Well, this is going to be our chance, our opportunity to shape that world for people we live in the 22nd and the 23rd century.